Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today is our September eyeshadow palette review and giveaway. We are doing from Aesthetica the Be Fierce palette, that's F-I-E-R-C-E. And she looks like this on the inside. This is also what I'm wearing today. If you are new here to the channel, welcome. I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway every month. So obviously this is the September one. It is Aesthetica. I have a couple more days left for some of those big giveaways we've got going on. So make sure to check the description box down below. One of them is that 1700 subscriber big one. So make sure to check that out if you haven't already. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which I try and do a lot here on the channel. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. Like I said, I do have a brand new one of these to give away to one of you. What we're going to do is talk a little bit about the palette, do some swatches, do some looks, and let you know my final thoughts. It does have everything that you need to do really kind of intense look. This palette is part of the their B-line. It does have more of that copper red tones in it. And you can really do like a pink look, or kind of like I did today, more of that copper look. Or you can, you know, just do this one, this one, this one, and do a really glam look as well. So it is a 9-pan palette. It does have 5 shimmers right here, which are this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then obviously your mattes are right here. It is 100% vegan, cruelty-free. I love how it's small and compact and is the 3x3. And it's perfect for like amateurs or pros or anything in between. Let's get into some of those swatches now. Let's do that top row, the gold shimmer, the peach matte, and kind of that pinky shimmer. I don't know why I did my fingers like this and skipped the one, but there you go. There are those three. I mean, obviously that pink one you could use as a rouge too. You can put it on a lot lighter, so it kind of gives you a less intense look if that's what you want as well. Okay, let's do this copper matte, kind of this copper shimmer, and then kind of this red brick matte. I mean, their shimmers are pretty intense, which I love. There are those three. You know what I just realized? I think this bottom row just by itself would be so pretty. Imagine like this, like in the crease, and this all over the lid, and this in the inner corner. I think that'd be really nice. I wish I would have done a look like that. So here's the shimmer, this crease, and then the dark kind of a red shimmer. Such a pretty red. And there you go. Okay, let's get into the different looks. I think I want to do a neutral look today, kind of concentrating on these outer shades right here. So let's go into this dark brown. It is a matte. It's kind of more of a cool shade matte. I'm just kind of placing the product right now, just in that, mainly defining that crease and outer corner. Then I'll worry about blending it here in just a little bit. see if we can blend that a little. Okay, and then I feel like we lost some of that definition, so let's just kind of build that up just a hair. Back up. And then I do want to take just a little bit of this right above that. And then just kind of blend that together. Okay, I do want to tightline this right on the lower lash waterline, concentrating on that outer corner and then bringing whatever's left inside. And then I'm going to take this kind of all over the lid. And then let's take this one in the inner corner. And also kind of the lower lash inner corner. And then this on the lower lash, let's just kind of take this a little bit and just kind of buff that out just a hair. And then I do want to just build up the outer corner just a bit more. Okay, let me go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. I will give this piece of advice while it's fresh and I'm thinking about it. If you go in and you use a primer, make sure to set it. I think that will help the blend better. I struggled, especially with that darker color, trying to get the blend when I did not set with a setting powder the eye primer. So I'll try that next time and see if that works better. So I think I'm going to do kind of a pink look today, maybe concentrating on these outer corners and like this right in here. I'm going to take this one right here. I know it has a little bit of shimmer to it, but I still want like a deeper red. So I'm going to take that right into the crease. And we're just going to lightly start building that up. Let's do the outer corner. Okay, and I'm going to take this one just a hair above it. And these obviously can be super pigmented, so be careful or else you're going to have to do a ton of blending like I'm going to have to do. Okay, now let's just go above that just a little bit. Now let's take that underneath. And then I want to tightline this one right up against that lash line. I'm going to take with my finger this one here. Just kind of put it all over the lid. And then I'm going to take this in kind of that inner corner. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final look. So I think I'm going to go for kind of a bronzy look today. Start with this one just in that crease and outer corner just a little bit. And I'm just placing it right now, kind of just tapping it. Now I want to go just above that with this kind of brick tone here. And at this point right now, because I'm doing it the way that I am, you don't have to do a ton of blending. And I think on this palette in particular, where it is a more difficult palette to kind of blend, I do think that that really helps. Of course, you do need to still blend a little bit. Now let's go with this one, just right above that, just a hair. And then let's go into the very top with this one here. And then blend out anything else you want to do. So I do want to tightline this really dark one just like literally in the lash line. Sure to connect that outside. Now let's go just under that. So basically building up the same thing we did on the top, on the bottom, but very, very small, because otherwise we don't want it to come down to here. Now let's go into this one. And I'm not going to go into that very top one. So I think what I'm going to do is put this one in the outer corner, this one in the middle, and this one in the very inner corner. I'm just going to use my finger. I'll do a little tap, tap, tap. Okay, let's go grab this one. Just kind of go back and forth between the two fingers. I do want to just go back in here and build up just a little bit of that definition that I feel like we lost on that very outer corner. Okay, let me go put on some lashes and take a look at the final look. I'll be right back. So the secret word is autumn. So I think that it is a pretty good palette. I think the more that I used it, you can kind of see the more that I became comfortable with it. Make sure that you prime your eyes, make sure that you set your eyes. You can tell in that last video clip that I did, it really helped when I started off with this and then kind of moved my way lighter as I went up. It really helped the blend out as well. So I think anybody can use this. I just think it needs to, just take a little bit of time to work with it. In the description box down below is a Google form link, and make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your subscriber name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is there's 4 different ways, and all you have to do is mark on your Google form that yes, you've done whichever or all or whatever the bonus entries that you do. But if you do mark those, make sure that you did do them, because I do check. You don't want to be disqualified. So the 4 ways to get them is number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you go follow me on TikTok, because I'm on there now, and that is Christina Marie BeautyAmaB. Kind of the same thing as this channel is called. And over on there, you can really find out, you are the first person to have access to like all those spoilers that I've been doing. And I know I've been doing a ton, it's just that time of year. And you're the first one to have access to those over on TikTok. So make sure to go follow me over there if you haven't already. Your fourth way is if you share this video, I can only grow the channel with your help, with your watch time hours, with your likes that really help out the channel. Those are things that go into the algorithm and that YouTube will, put me out there more in the universe so other people can join us. So like I said, if you share it with your family and friends, that really helps out the channel a lot. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. And YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I absolutely love it. When I can make somebody else happy, that's what brings me joy. Let's have this giveaway go through October 7th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on October 12th, what I will do is take from all the Google form submissions, I'll take the first name, first initial, the last name, put it into my computer. I will also do the same things with the bonus entries if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing. Computer spins all the names around, we all see it. Computer picks it, I don't, so don't ask to win. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. Nobody has access to me. So as soon as I mail out those forms, I do go ahead and delete everything. So if you like this video, give it a big like. Like I said, it really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.